In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can avoid PayPal bans, limitations, and hold when you are doing dropshipping or any other e-commerce business. Hey, what's up dropshippers? Welcome back to another video. And for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Dheeraj, and on this channel, I love to make videos about e-commerce and dropshipping. So if you're interested in this business, make sure you hit that subscribe button because a lot of amazing content is coming up in future. So first of all, why do we even need to use PayPal for our e-commerce business? Look, I have been doing dropshipping for last 2 years, and one thing that I have realized and collected the data is that a lot of my customers like to pay through PayPal. And I think you must have also realized this with your e-commerce business as well. And not only my customers, I even prefer to pay through PayPal for all of my online purchases. And the reason behind that is very simple. PayPal is safer, and if we ever have any problems after purchasing the product or after paying for the product, we can easily raise a dispute against it. Because sometimes it happens that we ordered something online, but when we receive the package, there is something else inside the box. So in that kind of case, if you have paid through PayPal, there are very high chances of you to get your money back as compared to other payment methods. So now let's discuss the main reasons why your money gets stuck in PayPal. Reason number one is that you are a new seller. So what happens is that when you have created a brand new business account with PayPal and you are a brand new seller, PayPal first wants to verify that you are a completely legit business, you are not a scam or something like that. So for that reason, PayPal could put your money on hold. New sellers need to build up their buyer-seller credibility and history. Once you have established a successful transaction record, your status can change. Reason number two could be your inactivity for a while. Similar to being a first-time seller, if you haven't sold an item in a while, you will need to rebuild your credibility. Suppose you are selling around 10 products a week and receiving consistent payments for your products and services. But suddenly you stopped selling for a year and now you are starting again. So in this case, people could put your money on hold for some time. Reason number three, and might be the biggest reason, is your unusual selling patterns. So suppose you have been selling items worth $40, $50 for a few months, but suddenly you started to get payments of $1,000 or $2,000. So in that case, PayPal might get suspicious and put a hold on your money. Reason number four could be you are selling high risk items. Examples of these kinds of items include tickets, gift cards, consumer electronics, computers, and travel packages. Anything that is more expensive or event related. Reason number five for PayPal to put your money on hold is customers filing formal complaints for a refund, dispute, or chargeback. If you have been flagged by multiple customers for various issues, PayPal may put hold on your funds. According to PayPal, the best way to remedy this is to work directly with the buyers to ensure that issues are resolved as quickly as possible. Now let me tell you the types of hold that PayPal puts on your money. So the first type is a 24 hours hold. PayPal holds your money for 24 hours after your product have been shipped and you have provided the tracking information for the product. Always remember this thing, tracking information is a really crucial part when it comes to getting your money faster from PayPal. Second type of hold is 6 days hold. It is the type of hold that you get after providing an estimated delivery time. When you are dropshipping with Aliexpress, you need to provide an estimated delivery time. Once that estimated date comes, PayPal could put your money on hold after that for 6 days. So suppose your estimated delivery time is 2 weeks. So after those 2 weeks, your money will be on hold for 6 more days. Third type and the most common hold is the 21 days after you mark the item as shipped. And this is usually because you did not provide a tracking ID or your funds are much higher than your normal payments. So far we have discussed the problem. Now let's get on to the solutions. So most of you who are watching this video are having some sort of e-commerce business, whether it is dropshipping or something else. So you guys must have some sort of method to upload a tracking ID for your orders on PayPal. Most of the dropshippers only have it for Shopify, but you should definitely also add it on PayPal as well. Now the method that I personally use for this that cuts all of my headache regarding the PayPal holds and limitations is a website called UpTrack. Once you have connected UpTrack with your PayPal, there are very high chances your money won't be struck again, because it will automatically update your tracking information from Shopify every time you get a sale through PayPal, or in other words, you can say whenever your customer pays through PayPal. This will surely make your relations better with PayPal and they will believe you more. Moreover, not only with PayPal but UpTrack also works the same with Stripe. Most of the other tracking tools that I used were charging per order, which could sometimes go well over $100 in a month. But they charge fixed prices starting with less than $5 a month, which is really amazing and saves me a lot of money. I personally use this unlimited package which cost me only $10 a month and gives me unlimited tracking sync. And not only about money, because these $10 are nothing as compared to thousands of dollars on hold, but their services are very convenient and smooth as well. So I have been using them for past 4 months and I haven't faced any sort of problem so far. And moreover, their customer support also replies quite quickly, so I can resolve my problems within a day or so. So if you want to try their services, I'll put the link in the description with a free 14 days trial, so you should at least try them once. Once you click on the link in the description, you will come to a page like this. Then just click on Find on the Shopify App Store and add the app on your Shopify store. And that's it. It takes care of all the tracking work by itself and you do not have to worry about anything. Moreover, you can avoid using Aliexpress when you are dropshipping. You can use platforms like CJ Dropshipping or similar ones, which does not only give you fast shipping but also provide you with a reliable supplier to whom you can contact easily. Because when you are using Aliexpress, they generally take about a week to update the tracking number for your product. And with that much time to only provide a tracking number to PayPal, they will surely have some eyes on you and give you unwanted attention. Now this was the solution if you don't want your money to be put on hold in future. But for some of you who are watching this video, you are looking for a solution to get your money faster if it is already on hold. So now let me tell you the solution for that. One of the things that you could do is do nothing, because in most of the cases your money will be released within 21 days. But if you want your money to be released as soon as possible, you can try this method. First, go to the activity and click on all transactions, and then click on the transaction that you want to be released. Then click on Get Your Money and then add the product and tracking information. And then click on Submit. Once you click Submit, the buyer receives an email notifying them that you enter the shipment tracking information for this. The email includes the tracking number, order status, and shipping company. And then if the buyer confirms the shipping, your money will be released very shortly. If you are watching this video so far, that means the content was really useful and helpful for you. So do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.